Field surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including urban planning, construction, and infrastructure development. In Gurgaon Sector 23, field surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid growth and development in the area. These professionals are responsible for collecting accurate data and measurements on-site to support the planning and design processes. When it comes to field surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23, one notable company is SCON Design. SCON Design is known for its expertise in providing comprehensive surveying services in the region. Their team of experienced surveyors is equipped with advanced tools and technology to ensure accurate and reliable results. Field surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 are essential for several reasons. Firstly, they help in identifying the boundaries and contours of the land, which is crucial for any construction or development project. Accurate measurements and data collected by field surveyors provide a foundation for architects, engineers, and planners to create designs that are in line with the specifications of the site. Additionally, field surveyors play a vital role in assessing the feasibility of a project. By conducting surveys and analyzing the site conditions, they can identify any potential challenges or limitations that may impact the project's success. This information allows stakeholders to make informed decisions and plan accordingly. Moreover, field surveyors are responsible for gathering data on existing infrastructure and utilities in the area. This information helps in designing projects that can integrate seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Field surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 also assist in ensuring compliance with local regulations and standards. By conducting surveys and collecting necessary data, they can ensure that projects adhere to safety guidelines and meet all legal requirements. Many businesses, including urban planning, building, and infrastructure development, depend heavily on field surveyors. Field surveyors are in high demand in Gurgaon Sector 23 because of the area's rapid growth and development. To support the planning and design processes, these experts are in charge of gathering precise data and measurements on-site. Sector 23 of Gurgaon has a number of reputable field surveyors, including SCON Design. SCON Design is renowned for its skill in offering thorough surveying services in the area. Their team of skilled surveyors is outfitted with cutting-edge equipment and technology to guarantee precise and trustworthy results. Sector 23 of Gurgaon needs field surveyors for a number of reasons. They first assist in locating the boundaries and terrain features, which is essential for any building or development project. The precise measurements and information gathered by field surveyors serve as a base for architects, engineers, and planners to develop designs that are in accordance with the site's requirements. Field surveyors are also essential in determining whether a project is feasible. They can find any potential issues